Hi everyone, it's Denise here. Just thought I'd do something different today. As you may have seen through a walk through a while ago, I had the Kikki.K 2019 DIY wall calendar where you can decorate the top of it while using the bottom one, and so it's now time to start the 2020 version. So I'm just going to try and keep ahead of it this year, because I missed the last couple, so I need to catch up on those as well. So yes, so September was the last time that we did it, and strangely enough, this is the Pretty Posy kit from Planners Anonymous, and I'm going to use it to start off this year in the 2020 version. So this is the 2019 September one where I used the bees and, oops, sorry, cut the washi tape down, but we're going to do something different. We're going to focus more on the bees rather than the flowers this time. So we'll put that away and we'll flip this one open to January. So this is the background paper that I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to measure it up and cut it so it fits, and then we're going to use some of the die cuts, maybe a quote card, and then some of the stickers. So we'll start that off. Now these, while I'm measuring out, where's my pencil? Here it is. While I'm measuring out, these pages are only meant to be really quick and simple ones. They're not anything that where are my bees gonna be? Haha, where are my bees gonna be? Let's see if that'll work. I'll just move the calendar out of the way while I cut the paper. Yeah, so these are only supposed to be very simple, because I don't want them to take up time. I'm going to need to transfer these marks down. So it's about there, and about there, so I can cut off this end here. Oh, nearly lost his bum. And then this one. Because it's white on the bottom, it doesn't matter as much if it's not as accurate. But that's our top piece. Yeah, so I've got a little bit of gap, but that's fine. So we'll get the glue tape. And running it over the edge here on the bit that I'm sticking it to, so it doesn't matter. But so I can get the glue tape up to the edge. Alright, so I want to, oh, I just can't see, and I want to line it up with this edge. Oh, that worked out pretty good. So that's the top. So what I thought I might do is see if these, oh, they are going to be just enough. So I'm going to cut all these up. So I'll just get my fine cutting scissors out. I love these. These are Fiskars. So we'll just cut these out because these are made to be a bookmark or something, but we don't want to do that. So we just want to cut these apart, and then we need to just, let me just shift something, shift the pens and stuff out of the way so I can move this up so you can see. So I just want these to sort of cover up the dates down the bottom. And then sort of go up. I know there's something else there. I wonder if there is a sticker. There's no other little die cuts that will fit. So I could use either of those two. Oh, I just realised I've got an extra sticker kit. I must have bought one in a D-stash. Or I got one accidentally, I can't remember. Anyway, lots of stickers now. We've got these ones as well that we could use. Or we could use no, that's not gonna work. No, we'll stick to the die cuts here. So we'll put them up. So I want pink, yellow, and that one, and then we'll stagger some little ones there. So start with this one here. Now I'm not worried about them going over the edge because I quite like that. Oh, I think my glue tape's running out. So we'll have them hanging off the edge as well. Yeah, we'll hide these cut edges because they're not that pretty underneath. And we'll start to angle these up. Here, and then we'll pop these guys sort of use them more red and yellow ones. Here. And then we'll use some of these leaves actually. Tweezers. Actually, this is where handy where the curved tweezers come into, because I can get in there and we can feed that one into there. Poke a few of these leaves just coming out as well underneath. just to break up the colour a bit, so I might get that other kit out. So I'll get this one out and find those pages. So yeah, don't know how I got 2 of these, but lucky I did. Ah, there it is. So just have these poking out, just to give a bit of extra colour and movement. Under here. Actually, I might even snip that one. Oops. To have that poking out there. And then grab these little ones. And just peel that up. There's something out there, I think. Might just put a little one in. I might use a few of those. Just poking out across the top. Ugh. Stick this down there. Just rub off any. Don't know about this one. They're hanging out there. I think that'll do. Any more, I'm just gonna ruin it, because yes, I tend to go overboard sometimes where I want less is more and then up doing more, and ugh. And because I do have extras, might pop just a couple of these little guys flying around. Where's the sheet with all the bees on it? Oh, here it is. Just pop a few these guys, just to sort of bring the bee theme down a little bit. I need another one. I need an odd number. Pop him in there. So, sorry, the camera's just out of range for me to see what you guys are seeing, so hopefully we've caught it all. But this is the whole page. Just super quick and easy. Bit of colour, and I'll add what I need to add in later. So let's see if I can keep this up for 2020. Anyway, So here is the finished product. So we'll have a zoom in and have a bit of a closer look. So these are the little bees that I added in. It's got a bit of texture to it still along the bottom, and I've trimmed off the edges as well. Also found a little quote, so choose to be happy, and then the bees up the top. So this will go on to it's actually my freezer, which is over there, to keep track of everything that's going on. I'll fill those out after I've done this. But that's it. Here's the 2020. Happy New Year, everybody, and I hope it's a good new year for you. Bye.